We're doing Little Beehive and Lake Agnes. Hola. Are we hiking up there?
We're hiking up there. You see between the two peaks? We're gonna go in there, and then we're gonna go on the right peak. That's Little Beehive.
Alright. Let's go. So this yesterday, this was like the area where the canoe was getting sucked into.
It's over there? Yeah.
It was over there, but it would look much worse yesterday because of the wind. And they're getting sucked over here. I could totally navigate that.
Every day we come here, it looks different. There's like no wind. The water is like glass right now.
It's crazy. We had rooms booked here like 4 years ago, 5 years ago. It was like $1,500 a night. Crazy.
Thank God we didn't have to pay a deposit.
Thank God. We're doing Little Beehive. Okay. What?
I'm gonna take an alternate way.
Okay. Different way.